suppliers who are not on our list of...
Muthenya omwe thutha wa gucokia ciuria mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igi ugima wa mwiri, muikariri gite wa bodi ya KEMSA Kembi Gitura undu umwe na uria urari murugamiriri wa KEMSA John Manjari uria wambite kurugamia wira uthuthuria wikwo ni mathire mbere ya kamiti ya COVID-19 ya bunge ya Senate. Guku gikaro giki gigithie na mbere, njukaniriro ya miario yo ya muhari wa mbere thutha wa Senator wa Narok Ledama Olekina kuga Kembi Gitura ndaracokia ciuria ta uria arorio ni kamiti ino.
We are the ombudspersons of the citizens of Kenya. So when we are asking those questions, please, if there's nothing to hide, it's okay, just absorb the heat and respond to them. So tell us about that JV of that contract.
As a chairman of the board and the board itself, we do not deal with management issues. We do not sit in the tender committee. We do not have control of the tender committee.
Ihinda-ini riu Senator wa guthukio Beatrice Kwamboka aigirira njukaniriro ino na kuria Gitura kana hihi kuri undu bodi ino irahithirira wigie uhuthiri wa mamilioni ma mbeca cia kugura indo cia kuhurana na murimu wa COVID-19 guku bururi-ini.
And if we are not going to be allowed to work as a board at KEMSA to make decisions for the good of KEMSA, if somebody wants to micromanage us, then I want to assure you, nothing will happen.
How did you arrive at that decision? That's what she's asking you. She's not trying to micromanage you.
But she is asking me why we did not wait for a letter from
I'm just
EACC.
concerned because of what is happening right now in this country. Because it looks like, because you're not answering the questions that you're being asked by Senator Ledama and Outa. Is there anything fishy that you're hiding by terminating people's job?
Now, at least any lawyer would tell you that the cardinal principle of the law of evidence is that he who alleges must prove. Don't keep telling me that we have things to hide. Tell me what it is you're hiding.
Kindly don't lecture me.
Order.
You are not in order to lecture me.
Order.
I have the right to ask you questions.
Order. If you could just answer the question, then we can proceed.
But in fairness, Madam Chair, in fairness, I need your protection. You cannot allow a statement to be made like that, which has gone to Hansard and has gone to the media, and you don't allow me to talk about it, and then it is just passed like that. I think it's unfair.
We will come back to that issue.
When
you finish
Madam Chair,
answering the
because
question,
I am not being given a chance to answer questions.
Then I'll be able to substantiate who is next to your doorstep.
Then don't threaten me. Before that information is brought to you.
Mweri wena mwaka uyu mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri Susan Mochache erikanite kwandika irua kuri KEMSA na kumera indo iria cirabatarania kugurwo thogora o undu umwe na kambuni iria cingiheana motungata maya na budget ya ciringi milioni 758.7. Manjari augite Mochache ndamathing'iriirie kugura indo cio kuma kuri kambuni njagure na gutire indo mahaguri cia thogora wa iguru gukira uria kwagiriire, akiuga ati agikinya kweherio wabici nuthu ya mbeca icio nocio ciarihitwo. Ngiribotera Inoro TV, Getwo Karo Kinyugo Mwaura.